Farm Data Services is a management accounting firm in Stillwater, Oklahoma. We provide management accounting to farmers over a 5-state area.
All my dad and my granddad were farmers, but they had nothing to do with this. You know, I come off out here in this old poor country. Well, I started out with about 20 head, and I've got 900 mama cows now. And everything you see has been built from scratch here.
There's 6 words in this business that put people out of business. We've always done it this way. That was us until we started using AgroLiquid.
I heard of Agro-Culture Liquid approximately 10 years ago. And we had several clients that had started using it, and I was impressed with the results. What impressed me the most was the increased yields and better production.
After visiting with the individual clients about what their process was, how they planted it, what fertilizer they used, and then they showed me the root mass and how big it was.
Well, you got a good root system on there, and with a good root system, your cattle's not as apt to pull it up. As they start grazing, you can graze it a little bit earlier, and then in the drouthier conditions, with a root system like that, your plant's just going to be healthier and stay green longer. Yeah, my cattle can graze longer when you got a plant that's got a good, healthy root system.
It took us approximately 3 years. We were watching the results from several clients to see whether we wanted to make the change. The Ag Liquid fertilizer, we were seeing with our clients an increase in production and a reduction in input costs. What impressed me the most was the size of the root system shortly after planting. Our high energy N and our starter fertilizer gave us quicker results for forage production.
Well, a high energy N is, you know, it's what it puts in the plant, and it puts it in pretty even without big spurges in the growth, you know. So it makes it more consistent for the cattle.
Before we started using AgLiquid, our turn-in date was a lot later, probably 30 to 45 days later, and now we're turning in our cattle earlier on our wheat pasture, which enhances the gain. Therefore, we're shipping them at an earlier date, can get another turn of cattle put on the wheat pasture. For those of you that take cattle in on gain, an earlier turn-in date of 3 weeks and using 50 cents per pound of gain for 1 head for every 2 acres, that's an additional $21 per head in your pocket by using AgroLiquid.
They're some of the best people I've met. I've been to their field day in Michigan and very impressed. They're not just one-sided. They test everybody's product. They treat everything the same, and you can make up your own mind, and it's pretty easy to do. Real high integrity.